Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about this market. I want to talk to you about some interesting things going on with a bunch of cryptocurrencies, bunch of news, talk about the Facebook news a little bit, and I want to bring back up to your guys' attention a token that has did a 4x since I talked about it just a couple weeks ago. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, check out the website Everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got merch, got all type of things on that website up there for you guys. Go ahead and give that a looky, and let's just get right into it. So first things first, I want to talk about this Bitcoin price right here. So I wanted to see this price range in between 60 and 70,000. So far it's been around 56 and 67, so it's been $10,000 less than I thought. But hey, we didn't come down and touch the 52k level. That's where some of these moving averages are, where it could absolutely come back down and touch some of these levels, but they're moving up as of right now. Looking at the weekly on the TDI, it looks pretty okay. If I change this to the daily, the TDI is still heading down a little bit. We have somewhat of a downtrend forming right here, but I think this is going to recover pretty quick. I think it's just a regular dip in my opinion. That's why I said, buy the dip. In my opinion, it's not financial advice, but I'm not really worried about this price action at all. It looks very bullish overall. We got a higher high on the Bitcoin chart, and we got some higher closes than we've ever had before, so nothing to complain about right there. Can't even have a bearish bone at all. Going to the total 2 now. If we look at the real quick, I wanted to show you the monthly on Bitcoin, because remember, the monthly on Bitcoin was way overextended over here, and I was saying, hey, we want to come down and chill out a little bit. We don't want the price to dip too hard, but we do want to chill out on the monthly on this TDI, and that's what we did. So that is just lovely, just beautiful. Makes me want to do the Birdman money hands, Birdman money hands, looking at that. So going into the total 2, let's change this to the weekly and see. Look, we still haven't got above the all-time high, but we're fighting with it, and we're looking like we want to get there. Overall, we got a little uptrend going on right here. You can see if I just draw like some trend line like that, it's a slight uptrend, but it's still closing upwards, so gotta be bullish right there. You know what I'm saying? So the charts, I'm not really seeing anything that makes me too worried. There will be dips, so we just gotta watch for those dips. Going into some other news that's pretty big. So Trac has been doing its thing. It got up to $1.36 18 hours ago. Right now having a little retracement down at 119, and it's still not a $1 billion market cap. So I seen that if Trac ends up getting to the market cap of VeChain, it will be like 20 something bucks. It will be like $26 if it gets to the market cap of VeChain. I think, hey, maybe it could get to at least half of the market cap of VeChain. I like Trac more than VeChain, but VeChain has more hype, and as we've seen with communities lately, like with the SHIB coin, with Dogecoin, with anything that has like a strong community, anything that has a strong community is doing pretty well right now, especially like in NFTs and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely keeping an eye on the Trac token, and because it is coming to Coinbase Pro, so right now you can already get Trac on Coinbase Pro, and then this is just the precursor to it ending up on Coinbase for everybody. And Coinbase is still the training wheels. It's still some of the places some of the first people get in. And when I talk about Trac, I go, hey, tell my friends, hey, buy some Trac. They go, how do I buy it? And then I have to teach them about Kucoin and all this stuff. Now they can get it on Coinbase. Let's go. Very bullish for Trac. Moon mission started. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Just being cautious about everything for the crash down. But Facebook changes their name to Meta, changes their corporate name to Meta. The app Facebook is still going to be Facebook, but the corporate name is going to be Meta, and then they're going to release something called some type of metaverse thing. That's what I think. I think they're going to release some type of metaverse thing, then they're just going to have it as another one of their apps and things like that that they can funnel people from Facebook into. for anybody who wants to get into the metaverse. But this is just big in general because the metaverse hype and the metaverse is the future sayings and all that stuff is showing up to be true in the mainstream world, where Facebook is willing to do something this drastic, even though the name Facebook is tainted with like selling your data to terrorists and causing all this bad stuff to happen to people. But you know, at the end of the day, this is going to bring a lot more people looking at the metaverse, getting into the metaverse and seeing what it's all about. But hopefully in the long run, people opt for something more decentralized, a centralized sand, or some type of more crypto platform, because, you know, we want them to get into crypto. So always talk about short-term flips on this channel, and one short-term flip that I want to just give a shout out to some of the people who got into it was actually Floki. And this is the power of these communities, is that they're making these coins pump like crazy. Now you can tell that retail investors are here because they see something like Doge pump and they go, what's going to happen next? Or they see something like SHIB pump and they go, I need to buy the top, pushing the top up even more. But at the end of the day, when the bear market comes, because there is going to be a bear market, you have to tell your friends in SHIB, and I have to tell my friends in SHIB and Floki and Doge and stuff like that, make sure you guys sell when you're in a bunch of profit, because you don't want to be sitting here holding bags in the bear market. Like, diamond hands are good when we're in an uptrend. If you haven't been that long, you've only seen up. You get what I'm saying? So when things start going down, those diamond hands could be pretty bad. That's why for me, my strategy, what I like to do is I have a bag that is a long-term bag. You know, I always say make a plan, 5-year to 10-year bag, put it on something, get it on a hardware device, stash it somewhere, and just add to it. That's the long-term bag. That's the investment bag. Investing takes time, takes patience, takes conviction. Find some dope coins and hold those that way. In that bag, it's mostly Ethereum and Bitcoin, because I know in the long term those two are going to be around. In the other bags and the flippable bags and the, you know, when the bear market comes bags, you know, you got to sell off some of those coins and take some profit. Not actually sell off, but just take some profit and get ready to buy back lower if that's what you want to do. But definitely just the main point of this whole rant is just make sure you're taking your profit. If you don't take profit, it doesn't happen. In investing or in crypto or in trading, you do not lose money. Someone else takes it from you. So that's just something that I wanted to mention for those folks who are enjoying the Floki and the SHIB games, and SHIB is already having a bit of a retracement double top over there, so be aware of that. But back to the whole metaverse idea, something very interesting, a coin that I want to bring back up that has done pretty well since I mentioned it, is the Ceek token. So right now it's at 5 cents. I think the last time I talked about it a couple weeks ago, it was at like 2 cents or 1 cent. And right now it's moving up. The market cap is still very low. So the market cap is still very low at $34 million compared to some other tokens. Right here on CoinMarketCap, we got a different price of about 4 cents. Over here on CoinGecko, we got 5 cents. So yeah, but nonetheless, this coin is undervalued in my opinion. It is still a low cap gem because it is below $40 million. So let's just look at the website. So right when we come to the website, you can already see it says the future. Welcome to the future of entertainment, DeFi for music artists, sports, and content creators. And right there you see Lady Gaga. So that's already a big connection to the music industry. And we don't really see as many NFT projects really trying to, we see them trying to get into the music industry, but actually already working with music artists. And like, music is huge. Concerts are huge. I don't get why more people isn't making that their main focus. But we can see that Ceek is doing that over here. They got an NFT marketplace coming soon. They got world-class partnerships with Bon Jovi, Lady Gaga, U2, Sting, Ziggy Marley, and more. There's also been Chris Brown on the platform. Some people that, you know, we have actually heard of. Not saying that we haven't heard of these people, but some other people be like promoting people that we don't even know. At least in the US, we don't know. So this is what I wanted to talk about right here, the Ceek NFT Marketplace. So Ceek NFT Marketplace will enable the creation and trade of blockchain-based digital assets, collectibles. Seekers will hold rare and limited digital collectibles and physical goods. Membership, so you'll be able to get a membership on here with your favorite content creators and get different experiences. And then ownership rights. So music owners and publishers can track their royalties and dividends. So this is something that's big, especially in music. And if you can get your royalties faster in music, which crypto, the settlement is there, so it is quicker, that's always good. So they have their virtual reality already built out. They already have these things going. They already exist. So Ceek plus VR plus Ceek plus VR Metaverse plus blockchain. It says the Ceek platform enables the tokenization of smart tickets for content creators, which can track and verify sales of tickets and digital assets on the blockchain. This ensures that royalty payouts to creators through immutable data on the ledger. So changing the way that people do tickets in general is big. I know a lot of ticket venues would like to have some type of, kickback from resale markets and stuff like that, and they can do that easily with these type of tickets. You can just sell somebody an NFT, say, hey, it grants you access to my show, and you get the album, and it just works out. It's pretty dope. So it says, over the upcoming months, our long view focus is to position Ceek as the definitive mobile VR entertainment market leader. We are using a unique approach by leveraging our early mover advantage in the top deep industries expertise in relationships. The Ceek execution team comes with a proven track record of industry leaders ranging from Microsoft, Boeing, the Walt Disney Company, DreamWorks, 20th Century Fox, the NFL, Verizon. So they got people from the team from all of these places. The headset is available now in stores, so it is definitely something that I think people are going to be wanting to take a look at when it comes to virtual reality, metaverses, and things like that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to buy the dip on this one. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Once again, check out the website, leave a comment in the comment box. I am going to be doing the re-giveaway soon because I didn't have the winners. Hit me up. Sorry guys. Yeah, so like and subscribe, turn on those post notifications. RIP to my brother Crypto Roots. Think positive, and positive things will happen. Get outside and get some sunshine. It's good for you, and check on your peoples. Till next time, peace.